Let's unpack best practices for data security in Azure and in Microsoft 365. For data at rest, encryption is a key to protecting data even if unauthorized access occurs. Azure services like Azure Disk Encryption, Azure Storage, and Azure SQL Database offer built-in encryption by default, securing data at rest. Instead of using Microsoft Managed Keys, Azure Key Vault allows you to securely store and control access to encryption keys. You can use customer managed keys for highly sensitive data, which will provide an extra layer of control and security. You can limit data access by assigning only necessary roles to specific users. For this, you should use Azure Role-Based Access Control to regularly review and restrict permissions. For data in transit, you should always encrypt data in transit with TLS protocols to ensure security during data movement, whether it's between on-premise and Azure or within Azure itself. For added protection, use VPN or Azure Express Route for isolated secure data transfer. Combining Express Route with TLS enhances security further. And track data flow with Azure Monitor and Network Watcher. This allows for early detection of unusual activity and enable a quick response to potential threats. For data in Microsoft 365, you should use Microsoft Purview Information Protection to classify and label sensitive documents and emails, such as highly confidential, to restrict access to authorized users only. With Azure Right Management, you can control access to shared data outside your organization, which ensures that only authorized recipient can access it while tracking usage. In short, by following these best practices, you protect your data whether it's at rest, in transit, or in use. This approach not only safeguards against unauthorized access but also supports compliance with industry regulations.